Hello, I am Shalini Saxena and today we'll start second part of water. In the last lecture we have learned about water, sources of water, common impurities of water and types of hardness. Now we'll discuss about degree of hardness. It is usually expressed as equivalent amount of calcium carbonate. The reason of choosing calcium carbonate as the standard for reporting hardness of water is the ease in calculation. This is because of two reasons. First, its molecular weight is 100. Second, it is the most insoluble salt that can be precipitated in water treatment. Thus, equivalent of calcium carbonate for hardness producing substance can be calculated by formula equivalents of calcium carbonate for a hardness producing substance equal to mass of hardness producing substance in milligram per liter multiply with chemical equivalent of calcium carbonate divided by chemical equivalent of hardness producing substance. Here chemical equivalent of calcium carbonate is 50. Second, equivalents of calcium carbonate for a hardness producing substance equal to mass of hardness producing substance in milligram per liter multiply with 50 into 2 total 100 divided by chemical equivalent of hardness producing substance multiply with 2. Equivalents of calcium carbonate for a hardness producing substance, mass of hardness producing substance in milligram per liter divided by multiplication factor. So how we can determine multiplication factor? Multiplication factor equal to chemical equivalent of calcium carbonate multiply with 2 divided by chemical equivalent of hardness producing substance multiply with 2. Now we'll discuss about units of hardness and their interrelation. First, ppm. ppm means parts per million. It is defined as the number of parts by weight of calcium carbonate present per million parts by weight of water, that is 1 ppm equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 106 parts of water. Second unit, milligram per liter. It is defined as the number of milligram of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 1 liter of water, that is 1 milligram per liter equal to 1 milligram of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 1 liter of water. Third unit is Clark. It is the part calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per 70,000 parts of water. 1 degree Clark equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 70,000 parts of water. Fourth, degree French. It is defined as the number of parts by weight of calcium carbonate present per 105 parts by weight of water, that is 1 degree French equal to 1 parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 105 parts of water. Relationship between all four units of hardness. ppm convert into milligram per liter by multiply with 1. ppm convert into French by multiply with 0.1. ppm convert into Clark by multiply with 0.07. Second, unit milligram per liter. Milligram per liter convert into ppm, multiply with 1. Milligram per liter unit convert into degree French, multiply with 0.1. Milligram per liter convert into degree Clark, multiply with 0.07. Third unit is French. French convert into ppm by multiply with 10. French convert into milligram per liter by multiply with 10. French convert into degree Clark by multiply with 0.7. Fourth unit is degree Clark. Degree Clark convert into ppm and milligram per liter by multiply with 14.3 and convert into French by multiply with 1.43.